Well done. So there we have the Gareth Rowland Memorial Awards. Let's give those a round of Now then, we come to a new award. So the 4 people who get these awards, okay, get a special awards. As you will know, in April, one of our teachers, Mr. Woods, Darren Woods, died very suddenly. Darren had been connected with school for many, many years because his children came to school, and he was a governor, he was a parent, and then he became a teacher as well. And he probably sums up in school everything we want to be, because he loved community, he loved being part of the school, he loved working with other people, and Darren was a very, very kind man. He liked to joke, he liked to laugh. I used to tease him all the time about the state of his hair. I can't talk about hair anymore because it's falling out all over the place. But Darren loved to be in school, he loved being part of the school. So we've decided to, having spoken to Darren's family, we've got the Darren Woods Memorial Shield, and that is going to be for kindness. It's going to be for kindness awards. So, 4 people who've been fantastically kind throughout the year. First of all, Kyron Landigan. Next up, Miss Neve Owen. Kindness. Very kind. Kindness. Come on, Mr. Morris. And then a genuinely kind and concerned, caring person, Danny Withy. There we go. Well done. Let's give a special round of applause to our 4 winners of the Darren Woods Community Kindness Shield. Okay, so I think that's it on the awards. Oh, we got more. Outstanding Achievement Awards. So, Miss Snayland, perhaps you'd like to present these and say who they are as well and what they're all about.
So for excellent efforts throughout the year this year, the awards go to Ollie Rose and Mason Victor. And for outstanding achievement this year, Sophie James and Betsy.
Excellent, well done. So, a big round of applause for our 4 outstanding achievements. Okay. Now then, the last awards really are the Head Teacher Awards. I find it more and more difficult every year because you could all have Head Teacher Awards, okay? But I've had to whittle it down, and I get told off by Mrs. Jenkins because she decides how much money I can spend on awards, and she's really telling me off this year because it's cost us £500 in awards, all right? Okay, and a lot of that is because I got so many Head Teacher Awards. So you could all be Head Teacher Awards, okay? You're fantastic people, and we love working with you, and I love working with you. So, who am I going to go for first of all? I'll go for this young lady. Joined us, well, she's been with us from the beginning, okay? Intelligent, clever, sensible, sensitive, very thoughtful and reflective as well. Okay, Ollie Rose. Well done, Ollie. Would you like to make a speech? No? That's all right, you haven't got to. Nobody else has either, okay? Next up, let me think. Let me see who we have. We'll have a boy. Handsome, intelligent, good looking, charming, lovely colour skin, lovely legs, lovely smiling face. It's always a bit weird. It's like looking in the mirror. Mr. Lewis. No, Joe Hughes. Come out. Well done, Joe. Brilliant lad. Joe, fully committed to everything, sport, everything else. One of the highlights of my entire job working in school of all time was seeing Joe and Dempsey as well, actually, playing rugby down in Caerphilly when they were in year 5s. And Joe, the only thing you could see in Joe was his eyes because he was covered in mud, didn't you? But I think the other teams thought, oh, we're going to beat these kids, they're all small, and we've got some year 5s playing, and we had some girls playing as well. But we smashed them, didn't we? Yeah. So well done, Joe Hughes. Next up. This lady joined us a couple of years ago. Didn't start off in our school. When she comes into school, she used to, well, I don't see her as much now because of the COVID rules, but she'd come into school, she'd breeze into school, she'd do a spin and a turn and say good morning, Mr. Lewis. She'd be the happiest, bubbliest start to the day every single day. She's brilliant. She's so much fun, so much enthusiasm, so much joy, and that goes to Rebecca Harris-Shaw. Okay, now then, who do we go for next? Over the last couple of years, we've been really lucky in that we've had some really fantastic sports people in school. Okay, and what's been really nice is over the last couple of years, we've had some really fantastic girls' sports people in school. Okay, and those girls, each year, more and more girls take more interest in sport. They like rugby, they like running, they like football, they like netball. And this young lady has done fantastic in sport and in all the other areas learning. She's full of energy, full of enthusiasm. Fionn Ferguson. Okay, who do we go for next? Let's have a little look. I mentioned this young man before. Dempsey Singer. Come out, Demps. Dempsey has been brilliant at sport for a long, long time. Okay, he's been brilliant at sport for a long, long time. But you know what? You wouldn't know. You wouldn't know that he goes off training with Swansea City every week. You would know he plays in Chelsea or Old Trafford or wherever, the Etihad, wherever he goes. Okay, because he's just normal. Comes in and we have a lovely chat about sport in the morning. He teases me about Man United. I tease him about Liverpool. But actually, you know, we have quite sensible chats as well, don't we? All right. I don't know why he's got this this on from the pound shop, but never mind. Okay, that's his Liverpool shirt. But in all seriousness, he's been great in his schoolwork, great in sport, and a really, really nice boy. And that's why he gets the Head Teacher Award, because he's a really, really nice young man. So there you go. All right. Well done. Now then, I can remember this little girl when she was small and she'd come into school in the morning in the nursery reception and I could hear this high-pitched squeaky voice. Right? She's only a little bit bigger, but she's still squeaky and high-pitched, but she is the ultra-competitive person in school. Come on out for a second, because I remember taking the girls to netball, that was last year, wasn't it? Before COVID, wasn't it? Yeah. And I don't think I've ever met, my son is very competitive, he's one of the most competitive people I know, but I don't think I've ever met anybody as competitive, and I thought she was so nice. I thought you were lovely and all this lovely cute little girl, and you're vicious, aren't you? Nobody going to take you, are they? Nobody. Brilliant in netball, brilliant centre, weren't you? Really, really good. Brilliant in her schoolwork, really, really good, and an excellent role model for everybody. So well done, Soph. Okay. I'm going to award these two together because for many, many years they've made me laugh. They've made me cry with laughter because they're nuts. I can't give this award to them for them being particularly clever, although they are. I can't give it to them for being particularly sporty, although they are. I can't give it to them for being kind, but they are. They get this award because they're mad. They're crackers. I would say they're as mad as a box of frogs, but they aren't frogs. we've got Pussycat Leo Edwards and Woof Woof Jack Copeland. Nobody's doing that, were you? Leo, there you go. Jack